Okay, today we've got a parable of thought here to explain the nature of God and how he's able to affect things immediately and anywhere in the universe that he wants without following any logical physical laws other than the one that would be relative, which is relative to where you are when things are happening, and that will show God's perspective at the end to prove that the speed of light isn't the speed of light of the universe, and it's a construct of the mind, and that it's not really real. I mean, it is to us because we are finite. I could go into a lot more crazy stuff here, but there's no need. So on screen we have a picture of the relative universe as far as we can see, let's say, and that's the energy travel between it. I've thrown a couple of arrows on there. That's to give you the general idea that we all know that light travels in a line. It can bend, that sort of thing, but that's because energy twists. You can twist it in any direction you want. You can see obviously the cloudy kind of effect on the picture on the screen showing that it is bending because energy rotates. Now I've done a few lines on there, a few arrows, because in general we accept the fact that light travels in one direction and it takes a certain amount of time because it has a certain amount of speed. And that's all well and good. That's your general physics. But we've gotten into this way of thinking that everything has to have a progression and that nothing else is affected. Now the EM fields of the universe are the wires that God constructed so that energy could pass. Everything is a construction. Every atom, every single thing in the universe is a typical wire construction that God passes energy through. Same as we have wires to pass electricity through. Same principle. So we have this idea that energy travels in this kind of direction. So these are the EM fields, and we see that power transfers through them because of the machines that have been made where we can check. So we all know energy is passed through EM fields. Now once you've come to this conclusion, that's like, well, fair enough. But now that then admits that there's a construct that is passing energy. So this was kind of just to show that how would God affect the universe, and is it possible to be faster than the speed of light? I say yes, and these pictures here, the next picture that I'm going to put up kind of shows it really, because if size is relative and things happen relative to where you are, as Einstein describes, then this is how God affects the universe. He puts his finger here, 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 there, 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 and there. And that is what God does. That is the size difference. There is no end to God. He is just there. There is no God beside him, and everything is contained inside him, and we are contained inside Jesus, and both are all contained inside God. So wherever he puts his finger, his power, something will be affected. So the speed of light isn't about the speed of light. The speed of light is about size. We can imagine being on the moon faster than light. That's the speed of thought. That is the fastest thing in the universe, the speed of thought. God is in everything, so he can change any part at any point because he's already there. Thank you very much. My name is Lee, and I'm a Christian.